In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a monthly budget tracker in Smartsheet. We'll start by getting into Smartsheet. Open your browser and go to the Smartsheet homepage. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you land on the main home screen. This is the central hub where you can access all of your sheets, reports, and templates. From the home screen, look for the option to create something new. Click on the Create button. This is usually located near the top left of the interface. When you click it, a menu will open with several options for new items you can build. In that menu, choose the option that opens the creation window with templates. If you see a prompt or highlighted area that lets you explore templates, go ahead and click it. This will bring you into the template gallery, which is the fastest way to set up a budget tracker without building everything from scratch. Once the template gallery is open, look for the link or button that says View All Templates and click that. This expands the full library so you're not limited to just the recommended or recent items. It's helpful because budget templates can sometimes be under different categories. At the top of the template gallery, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and type in budget. As you type, Smartsheet will filter the available templates to show all the budget-related options. From the search results, find the template called Personal Budget Management. This template is a great starting point for a monthly budget tracker because it already includes categories, formulas, and views tailored to personal finances. Click on the Personal Budget Management template to open its details. On the Template Details screen, click the button labeled Create from Template. Smartsheet will ask where to save it and what to name it. You can accept the default location and name for now, or quickly customize the name to something like Monthly Budget Tracker. When you're done, click Done to finish creating the sheet. Smartsheet will generate your new workspace with the associated sheets and reports. You'll now see a set of related items. Click into the main sheet that's highlighted to open it. From there, navigate to the Budget Setup sheet. This is where you define your income sources, savings goals, and key assumptions for your monthly budget. Next, open the Expenses by Category sheet. Here, you can review and adjust the default categories so they match your real-life spending, like housing, groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Finally, open the Annual Budget Overview report. This pulls everything together and gives you a high-level view of your monthly budget across the entire year, so you can track your progress and make adjustments as you go.